Assalamu alaikum, friends. First time I made a square cake. Chocolate sponge. Easy recipe for making chocolate sponge cake. I have put it on my channel. Check it out. I have put a video of making a small cake today. It can help you too. First, make a small cake like this and sell it. Then customers will know how the taste and quality of our items are. This will help our business to improve. First, when selling, we should sell it at a very low price and see how our cake reviews come. If we get 90% good reviews, we should keep increasing the price of our products. Then make different types of cakes and sell them. Brownie cake, cupcake, truffle cake, donut, bamboloni, and so on. I am going to sell variety items in our store for the first time. I thought it could improve. If you see my cake, comment and tell me how you feel. I will share many more such recipe videos with you. Inshallah, you all should support my business to improve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.